Anyways, the next matter I have to address and why them are going to lose this year. Now, ha! Yes. Welcome to another Rant. I'm a host, Mr. Coxx. Now, you have read the title and you know why I'm here. You all know why I'm here. I'm here to address the matter of Calabar winning champs left, right and center every single year. I go in a moment first I'm gonna subscribe and touch the like button from now. And if you never watch Rant 2, I'm gonna go watch it. Because them teacher you on ramp. I don't know how Mr. Coxx get that from last week. Anyways, address the matter for Calabar now. So, you know say earlier this year, Calabar never got the people them Gibson Relays. They talk about a strategy. But me have something to tell you now. And the strategy but them never go. Actually them not get no money for that meet there. Them go Grand Prix now. Them start up Grand Prix now. And them are got them their champs now. Them not go win, you know why? Because the Track Association of Jamaica, whatever them call themselves, them are going to fight out Calabar this year. You know why? Because them never got them Gibson Relays, them never sell enough ticket, them never make no money. Gibson Relays basically empty. That's one matter out of the way. One next matter now with Calabar. Why? Them are going to lose champs or them have to lose champs. Them want to win same way. But them are going to lose champs. Them want to win same way. You know why them are going to lose now? Them are cheat. And people, everybody knows them are cheat. You know them are cheat. You hear it. You see it. Them are cheat. Them want to win same way. But them are cheat. Look on the footage and come back.
White Stone in the set position. Clean start, and Christopher Taylor already has the overall lead, covering them on the stagger. Taylor has that lead on Taylor's inside. It's a Peart of Kingston College on the outside. Xavier Nairn of Wilmers, they come off the turn, and Christopher Taylor has destroyed them, and he is flying coming down the lane. 5 meters clear, 6 meters clear. He's looking like a gazelle, a cheetah. Taylor crosses the line. Yes.
And I hear it loud and clear, though. Looking like a gazelle.
He's looking like a gazelle.
Looking like a cheat.
A cheetah.
I mean, if you tell me, say, them all of them run every single year, right? Every single year. And we know, the commentator know, Jamaican people know, people are foreign even know, who don't know Christopher Taylor. Man have me, Mr. Coxx. Calabar more than same yesterday. And next matter I have to address and why them are going to lose this year. Now, you all know this particular school. I wrote a tie in the last rant that I did on the teachers of Jamaica. You should check that out right now. Now this school, every single year, as far as I can count, because I just banned Mr. Coxx. Yeah. So, every single year, the school join number 2. I want me to know, brother. What number 2 position do you? Eh? No, I really want to know. What number 2 position do you know? Uno love number 2 too much. Are you guys funny? Not because it's an all-boys school. Stop join number 2. Alright. If you said me change the title of color here, you know that win? You know win for your difference this year. Calabar won't win same year. But you know win for your difference this year. You understand? Make your mother proud. I want to tell the helicopter people. You know say every time I shoot a rant video, something ever go wrong. Last week I shoot the rant video. Then people are passing and play alkaline fire. I want to know. I want to know. But anyways, that is the end of this rant. And next rant is coming to you guys right after this video. Basically. I'm going to double upload this week. Yeah. 1,000 subscribers, people. I'm going to upload every day for the week. You see me? More reach 1,000 subscribers, then we can start upload more frequently. But for now, we're going to get one video a week. if until we reach 1,000 subs, you understand. But I going to 2 video this week because our next matter need for address. So subscribe and stay tuned for more. Mr. Coxx out. Oh no, out. Big up on yourself.